Hi, Logan. Good morning.
Hi, Alice. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. I woke up early today.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that's early. I usually wake up at 7.
I like waking up early. The morning is quiet and fresh.
That's true. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I drink some water.
Nice. I also brush my teeth first. After that, I make my bed.
Oh, good habit. I sometimes forget to make my bed.
It's okay. After making my bed, I do some stretching.
Exercise in the morning? That's great.
Just a little. It helps me feel more awake.
I want to start exercising too, but I'm a bit lazy in the morning.
Maybe start with something small, like 5 minutes.
That's a good idea. What do you do after that?
I take a shower, then eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually bread, eggs, and milk. Sometimes fruit.
Sounds healthy. I like to eat rice and vegetables in the morning.
Oh, you eat rice for breakfast?
Yes, it's normal in my family.
That's interesting. After breakfast, do you go to work?
Yes, I start work at 8:30.
Do you work from home or go to the office?
I go to the office. It's not far from my house.
How do you go there?
I ride my motorbike. It takes about 15 minutes.
That's convenient. I take the bus to work.
Is the bus crowded in the morning?
Yes, very crowded. I sometimes stand for 20 minutes.
Oh no. That sounds tiring.
It is, but I listen to music or podcasts to make it better.
Good idea. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock.
What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I send emails, answer calls, and write reports.
Sounds busy.
Yes, but I like it. My coworkers are friendly.
That's nice. I also have nice coworkers. We sometimes eat lunch together.
Me too. What time do you have lunch?
Around 12 o'clock.
Same here. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, meat, and vegetables. Sometimes soup.
That sounds delicious. I often eat noodles or salad.
Do you eat at the office or outside?
I eat in the office cafeteria.
Oh, that's convenient. I usually go to a small restaurant near my office.
Do you take a nap after lunch?
Sometimes. A short nap helps me feel fresh.
Me too. Just 10 or 15 minutes.
What do you do in the afternoon at work?
I have meetings, make reports, and check emails.
That sounds like a lot.
It's okay. Time passes fast when I'm busy.
True. I sometimes feel sleepy in the afternoon.
Same. Coffee helps me stay awake.
Yes. I drink 1 cup every afternoon.
Me too. Coffee is my best friend at work.
Mine too.
So, what time do you finish work, Logan?
I finish at 5:30.
That's good. I finish around 6.
Do you go home right after work?
Usually, yes, but sometimes I stop by the supermarket.
To buy groceries?
Yes, fruits, vegetables, and sometimes snacks.
I like snacks too, especially chips and chocolate.
I try not to eat too much chocolate at night.
Same here. After I go home, I take a shower.
Me too. A shower after work feels so good.
Yes, it washes away the tiredness.
Then I cook dinner.
What do you cook?
Simple food, like rice, soup, or pasta.
That sounds nice. I sometimes cook, but sometimes I order food.
Oh, what do you like to order?
Pizza or fried rice. Easy and tasty.
Pizza is great. I love cheese.
Me too. What time do you usually eat dinner?
Around 7 o'clock.
Same here. After dinner, I wash the dishes and relax.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or play games.
That's fun. I like to read books or listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop music, mostly. It makes me happy.
Nice. I like soft rock.
Do you ever study English in the evening?
Yes, I try to study for 30 minutes.
That's good. I also study English at night.
Sometimes I go jogging or take a walk in the park.
I watch English videos or talk with my friend online.
That's smart. I use an app to practice speaking.
Great. Learning every day really helps.
Yes, step by step, we improve.
Exactly. So, after studying, what do you do?
I usually relax a bit more, then prepare for bed.
Same. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you check your phone before sleeping?
Yes, a little. I watch funny videos.
Me too. But if I watch too long, I sleep late.
That happens to me sometimes. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11?
I go to bed at 11 too.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights, yes, but sometimes I think too much.
Ah, same here. When that happens, I listen to soft music.
That's a good idea. I'll try that.
It really helps me relax.
Thanks, Alice. Talking about our day feels nice.
Yes, it does. I learned new ideas from you.
Me too. Next time, let's talk about our weekend plans.
Sure, that sounds fun.
Great. Have a good night, Alice.
You too, Logan. Sleep well.
Good night.
Good night.
Hey, Logan. How's your day going?
Hi, Alice. My day is good, thank you. How about yours?
Pretty good. Work was busy, but I'm happy it's almost the weekend.
Yes, I can't wait for the weekend. Do you have any plans?
I'm thinking about cleaning my room and doing laundry first.
Same here. My room is a little messy.
It always happens after a long week, right?
Yes, it does. After cleaning, I want to meet my friends.
That sounds fun. Where will you meet them?
Maybe at a cafe near the park. We like to sit, talk, and drink coffee.
Nice. I love cafes too. The smell of coffee is so relaxing.
True. How about you, Alice? What will you do after cleaning?
I might go shopping. I need some new clothes for work.
Oh, shopping. Do you like it?
Yes, but only when the store is not too crowded.
Same. Too many people make it stressful.
Exactly. After that, I'll cook something nice for dinner.
What will you cook?
Maybe pasta or chicken soup, something warm and easy.
Sounds delicious. I wish I could cook like you.
You can. Cooking is easy if you practice.
I usually just fry eggs or make instant noodles.
That's a good start. Everyone begins somewhere.
Thanks. Maybe I'll try a new recipe this weekend.
That's the spirit. Do you usually cook on weekends?
Sometimes, but often I go out to eat with my family.
Oh, that's nice. Family time is important.
Yes, it is. We usually have dinner together on Sunday.
What do you eat?
We often eat rice, fish, and vegetables. Simple but tasty.
That sounds healthy. My family likes noodles and spring rolls.
Yum, I love spring rolls. Do you make them yourself?
Sometimes, yes. It takes time, but it's fun.
I want to try making them one day.
You should. I can teach you.
Really? That would be great.
Of course. We can cook together next weekend.
Deal.
Of course. We can cook together next weekend.
Deal. After cooking, what do you do on Saturday night?
I usually watch a movie or a drama.
Me too. What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic comedies or animation movies.
Oh, I like action movies, but sometimes I watch comedies.
Comedies are great after a long week. They make me laugh.
Yes, laughter is the best medicine.
So true. Do you go out on Sundays?
Not always. Sometimes I stay home and rest.
Same here. I like to sleep a little longer on Sunday.
Oh yes, me too.
I usually wake up at 9 or 10.
That's perfect. No alarm clock.
Exactly. After waking up, I make breakfast.
What's your favorite Sunday breakfast?
Pancakes with honey and coffee. Simple, but nice.
Yum! I love pancakes too. I sometimes add bananas.
Bananas sound great. I'll try that next time.
Do you go out after breakfast?
That's healthy.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly short stories in English. It helps me learn new words.
Good idea. I should try that too.
You should. Reading really helps with vocabulary.
Yes. I also like watching English shows with subtitles.
Same here. It's fun and helpful.
We're both trying to learn every day. That's great.
Yes. Learning a little every day is the key.
So true. What do you usually do on Sunday afternoon?
I sometimes visit my parents or call my friends.
That's nice. I usually play games or take a nap.
Weekend naps are the best.
Definitely. After the nap, I prepare for Monday.
Me too. I check my schedule and plan my week.
Do you feel ready for Monday after that?
Not always, but I try to stay positive.
Same. Mondays are always a bit hard.
Yes, but new week, new energy.
Exactly. When we rest well, we work better.
So true. I think I'll go jogging this Sunday morning.
That's a great plan. I'll clean my house and then relax.
Sounds perfect. Let's talk again on Sunday night.
Sure, we can share how our weekend went.
Deal.
Maybe we can talk about our favorite hobbies next time.
I'd love that. I have a lot to say about my hobbies.
Great. I'll prepare my list too.
Okay, Logan. Talk soon.
Talk soon, Alice. Have a great weekend.
You too. Enjoy your rest and have fun.
Thanks, Alice. See you later.
See you. Bye.